Good evening, Lady Patriquin. I didn't get to see your message yet because I'm still trying to get stuff set up, but I heard Ricky say hello. So that means you're probably in the chat. Oh. Come on. Ooh. Okay. One more minute and then I should be all set. Yep, there I go. I think. We'll see. The camera is not facing correctly because there's something weighing it down. I cleaned off my desk, which is a good thing. But I cleaned off my desk. The camera does not want to stay on the stand. Let's try this now. We'll give it a 50% start. I just had to switch properties. And vamos, you know you want it. Boom. There we go. Trying to see where. I think it's right on my leg, which is fine. I guess I could go on to Twitch to see what you said. And I've been unbananaed from TikTok, so I'm going to try to get that up and running too. Stream manager. Oh, you just said hello. Got it. Oh, that's Inception to hear my own voice. No, I refuse. Okay. I probably should have done a whole reboot. Nope, there's a TikTok favorite. And I will say, I got something very yummy to snack on. I don't know what it is, because it was clearance from the bakery service case. Well, I'm trying to get the other stream up. But I got this cake. I thought it might have been a pineapple cake, but it tastes like lemon and there's coconut on the outside. It was originally $6 and I got it for $3 though, so I'm happy. Definitely some kind of cake. Also, am I totally allergic technically to pineapple? Maybe. Do I care? No. I did get in the green yard, so we will be starting on that. I did not mean to munch on that in your ear. I just forgot that there was coconut already. Oh, apparently it's International Museum Day, so happy International Museum Day. I'm gonna put y'all on the candle. I'm still trying to figure out what this pastry is. I think it's just a white cake with lemon curd on it. Not too much though. Ooh. And I have it backwards. No. Mm. Sorry if I'm getting y'all whiplash. I'm just trying to. Oh, the cord is a problem. I have no clue. Mm. How to actually keep that straight. It's like it's not tilted right. This is what happens when I actually have the floor level. Well, the camera level to the floor. Is this able to be turned? Maybe? Or how about we do this? Okay, it wouldn't be bad, and I can show y'all. But it's like there's a cord that's connected to the camera. Apparently, it's strong enough to push it just so that it's not angled correctly. Glad that I mentioned I cleaned off my desk earlier. Oh, I feel where it's moving from. I just don't know what to do to cause that not to move. We're going to do a BRB. Because I'm going to fight with this camera. There's that. Clip, clip. And then clip this one down. Now, have a good night's rest. Thank you for lurking.
Lit a wild wheezing appears Twitch lit catch it using poke catch. Winners revealed in 90s.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Pando, I'm fighting for my life over here, my guy. Ricky. Okay, now we're cooking with some grease. I want to decrease the size of the screen. I think it's shift. No, it's alt. Control. Close enough.
Wheezing escaped.
Welcome, Poke
No one
Monkey
caught it.
YouTube game.
John Aswa 5 red.
Catching up and starting a new row finally. It only took me way too long. Okay, somehow I am knotted up, but also have no knot. I'm tired today, y'all. You cannot tell. It was a good day. It was a tiring day, though. And when I finish the row, I'm going to start watching episode 29 of Pursuit of Jade. Because it's got me on chokehold, which is why I'm glad that I waited until the end to actually watch it. It's the fact that I'm on screen, but I'm off screen. No, that makes me more off screen. So I want this down, so I'm more on screen. That makes a little sense. Good evening,
Welcome
Foxy.
FoxyMTech69.
Your game was looking super cozy earlier today. I'm assuming it was a record shop simulator.
Hello.
Welcome Obsidian Carnage X12.
Welcome to
I
stream,
think it is.
Obsidian. Jesus Christ. So I cleared off my desk, which is good and bad because now everything falls off. Stay. If you all want to stay, stay. But that was to my microphone. Because I really don't want to play another game of Go Fish the Mic. I was able to get in some green yarn today, so woohoo! We're finishing up last night's row.
Trout JAM. It got delivered, I presume.
Correct. And for some odd reason, Bezos gets it here in one day. Michael's, it takes a week. Well, I'm not paying almost $60 to express ship something. And the price of gas to try to go and get it, yeah. I spent my time flower shopping instead. And we should be all set. It was raining here, like daytime thunderstorms, while it's
Hope everyone
right
enjoys
before
this
your
video.
stream.
Please follow the stream.
Thank you, Ricky, for letting him know that. Being a good little pet. I still am fighting with that form that I was working on, but I just took a whole side quest break. I'll go ahead and take care of it tomorrow. I just have to do it before 4 o'clock so I can print off some stuff and do my business cards.
I'm not sure I'll play Wax Heads live again as it's a lot of reading and I stutter as well as stumble my words when reading out loud.
You didn't sound like you're having too many problems. Whatever you're comfortable with, though. The Mimi person, I was going to say, is this a reference to Digimon? Because there was a Digidestin named Mimi. and she wore a pink cowboy hat, and that person just, she was technically a Japanese cowboy. I was like, is this a reference to that? I highly doubt it was. And then Winston with their jazz record from their spouse. I was like, oh, that's sweet. And then that was all that I really got to listen to. I had to mute just so that I could work on Claudia's website. I saw that you had the sweet task spot, so I was using that.
I'm going to look it up.
I didn't get to hear the rest of the references. I feel like I had a poppy in here. I don't know where I left it. I think I might have left it in the kitchen. I also... Oh, I know it's yellow on the ground. It's a bag.
Twitchlit a wild mental appears Twitchlit catch it using Hope Catch. Winners revealed in 90s. Hope Catch.
Okay, let's see. Maybe you might get 2 shinies in a row.
Wouldn't that be cool?
It definitely would. I need to get Streamlabs set up. I might do Super Sleep Bot. Because I still like it, and I still definitely want to co-work more often. And I may
How is everyone?
get a more portable 3.
Manfu escaped. No one caught it. John
Minfu,
Massa 5
boo. Boo. How dare you? I think it literally looks like a weasel. Anyways. So you didn't need a weasel. But whatever is eating my tomatoes, I needed to stop eating my harder to grow, rarer tomatoes. Like, if it went after... Which, I like exotic tomatoes. So... maybe that's not a thing I could do. But seriously. I already had the replacements for it, but that's not the point. I wanted white tomatoes this year, dang it. Also, I don't know how white tomatoes even cook. And let's see, will we be going with pagoda or are we going to a blue color tonight for today's temperature? Because it, like I said, it was wet and rainy. It wasn't too cold though. Oh, my little Pixar stand. Like, okay. Now you all are being held so that I don't drop this on the floor. Do 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 do. Oop. I mean, you guys aren't going to see anything. It's just Canva, but that was not what I was trying to do. Do. Today is the 16th, 62 degrees, so we're staying on this color, I'm pretty sure. Or we're going back to gold, one of the two. Cheese break. Carefully curated cheese from Walnut Creek Foods. We have Cajun cheese curds. Do I think they're anywhere near Louisiana? Absolutely not. Just a little guilty pleasure. Ah, dang it. They fooled me. It has a zip tie, but it's also factory sealed. So, I said 62. Actually, we're going up to gold. At least we're getting a little variety, a little spice. So let me tie the gold back to this. And we're not going to let the ancestors see on camera that I'm using scissors that are good scissors to cut open a bag. I'm bearing the yellow. Well, it's nice to give a break from the orange-yellow combination for a minute. Oh, jeez. These are not like the cheese curds I normally get. They're actually pretty long. They actually have a taste to them. They're not rubbery. So that's good. I think that's the episode I'm on. I'm going to try not to swear like a sailor here for a minute. I mean, I'll do it in my head. I won't do it aloud. Yay! Time is there. And then we'll get this other row finished tonight. Preferred.
Back needed some water.
Well, I'm glad that you hydrated because we are all but living organisms that need to make sure that we're taking care of our essentials. Is my water in the room? Nope. Could I go and get it? Yes. Am I? No. And we switch back to the yellow. I need to look up planting medium substrates.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ricky.
I feel like I need to be cooking when I hear this music in the background, not crocheting. That's a whole different endeavor. We might try that, like doing a food prep Sunday, but that would be a whole rigmarole. that I'm not prepared for. So, we'll see. Okay, one more cheese curd, and that's it.
Twitch lit a wild gay bite. F. Appears Twitch lit catch it using Hope Catch. Winners
A little
revealed in
miniature
9Z.
Sharky.
Gay bite. F. Escaped. No one caught it. John Aswa 5 rid.
Y'all might be levitating because I think the blanket is partially underneath the camera stand. So, sorry, but gotta move stuff. Manufacturer's not. That's great. I'm not gonna worry about it. They do the same technique that I do, so.
Twitchlit a wild clefable of Pierce Twitchlit catch it using Poke Catch. Winners revealed in the 90s. Clefable escaped. No one caught it. John Aswa 5 rid.
We're at 11 o'clock. I have a little bit over halfway to go. But Sunday I do plan on co-working for a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the bed because I'm going to be, as per usual, just like when I was in high school and college, procrastinating till the last minute. So I will see anyone that joins in tomorrow. I do want to thank you all again for tuning into the stream. Have a good one. Bye.